Hi guys, this is great opportunity for you guys to participate in a contest. You have to find the hidden question in the video and first one give the correct answer will be the winner. Opportunity to get his or query solved by direct communication, by direct discussion in a comment. They can ask me to make a project of their choice. Winner name will be revealed after 12 hours of the uploaded video. I will also pin the winner name in comment section.
This video I teach you how to make a sanitizer. You can see in my hand this is a sanitizer. This sanitizer is 450 rupees in 60 ml. I'm making only 1 rupee in 50 milliliter. 50 milliliter. I already ethanol have in my this bottle. So this a little bit I am require 100 ml. So 50 ml. This is 100 ml bottle. I purchase ethanol and put in a 50 milliliter ethanol in other bottle. Which bottle I am making this. We can use isopropanol. This local shop once is made of isopropanol. You can use the task winner is now purchase ethanol. You can see there's ethanol. There I put ethanol there, so you can see my table is all ethanol, ethanol. So that's why I stick them a part of moment. Full ethanol. Bring this main bottle to this bottle. There you can see there are label. It is a 50 ml. So there's advantage by 2 by 4, which means 200 ml of ethanol, 4 ml of rose water. You can use normal water. Rose water is used to good smells. So that's why I'm making a 50 ml reason using 50 ml, which means 50 by 150 ml. I am using this rose water and 15 ml of ethanol and 1 gram or 500 milligram diastole pure gasoline. You can you. I one thing I am for it is I am for it as Avian. You can use also at aloe vera or Avian the vitamin C capsule. I not like both two things, so I that's why I not use this. This I'm measured by this alcohol bottle. This is the main bottle. Which bottle I am mix these things. The gasoline is used. So this thing is ethanol dry or steam. So that's why it's wired. And it told dry or steam. It is also required to little bit gasoline. Rose water is not required. Aloe vera is not required. Or Avian is not required. But if you it is not required, but it's manding for your choice. If you can use, you can. If you like to use, you can use. I am not like to use, so I not use. But I think so. I think I have no more rose water, so I measured little bit 25 milliliter of rose water plus 125 milliliter of normal tap water. I put the normal water. This is normal tap water. You can, if you like a distilled water, you can use distilled water. So I have put a different one right there. So it is filled with bottle. Keep in mind 25 milliliter of rose water this time. I think these are better, good, not much. I also find a, a vitamin C capsule, but it is not find some water. Right there. I also find a capsule of vitamin C beyond capsule. I cannot find in my fridge, so that's why I never show them you. There is be carefully. So that's why pouring anywhere. So I pour some more water. This time I No. Now add 3 these bottles, 50 ml I already add. 100 ml add, more add. To, and after add this roll to final product. This this way it process is little bit slower because there are no funnel. My funnel is lost, so I put by syringe. So it is little bit time to taken, but I thought it is complete very quickly. So and as quickly as possible. I am not thinking to that pouring it made a mess. I put on water right there, and this water input small slowly to fill. Keep in mind they are under ml water. Only 25 ml water more to do this. Bottle this time. Previous bottle is shorter. Now I take a bigger one bottle and pour some 125 milliliter or normal water 125 milliliter on 25 milliliter or rose water. Now add this roll. This is a household chemical. This gas roll is moisturize your skin little bit, not too much. Now close it and apply some tap. Keep in mind this is a alcohol sanitizer. I recommend you can wash, applying your sanitizer in hand after cleaning water in 10 seconds. Never directly pour on ethanol, this sanitizer in your hand and not wash your hands with water. So that's why you can eat with your food as well as ethanol. Ethanol is very dangerous thing if you eat drinks. Otherwise, it is not damage for skin. Mix as well. You see you can change it. So this is I also gonna think that this spray bottle I can spray and just lets me now that's the final result. Like spray and wash and after also wash out water. This is the water. I also wash it with water, my hands with water. So this is all sanitizers is making for after water washing. I really recommend never wash with hands. I mean and wash with waters. So I really recommend. Otherwise there are alcohol. Alcohol is highly concentration. I also dilute by 1.5 0.5 by 3 ratio. So that's after it is dilute too much, but I really recommend this alcohol sanitize your hand with this alcohol and after cleaning your hand with water. And this video is and with the next video for very soon. I hope I am working on lots of projects, but there is issue. I am changing my lab. So previous lab, our window is outside. There are raining, so my all parts, all components and chemical stuff are wetting. Now I change my lab room. So that's why today I am busy for 2 days working on my lab, changing the lab room. So previous room is window issues. That's why I not made a project, but I hope coming days I am made very soon as possible video. But I am not challenging them. I don't know what is about not do, which means there are lots of problems or other things. So it is never made up videos possible all possible. But I am not challenging. I give you a warranty. I made a video very soon as possible. And this video is end. I am today to test is what is the formula of gasoline or gasoline, whatever you told. What today again today to test and question is what is the formula of gasoline or gasoline, whatever you told it.